Welcome to Game. You're not starting.
Gaming with the bros.
Sorry, but we did record us first time. Welcome to Gaming with the Bros.
Yes.
What's up, guys?
Today
We're playing
is
Skylanders.
Skylanders, and I am a noob. Well, I'm actually good. I'm a noob.
Well, I edit videos.
God.
Oh, thank you for subscribing to us. I reached 18. He reached 7.
Yes.
Maybe because it's not his fault. I started my YouTube career first. Subscribe to him. He needs some subscribers. Show him love. Go ahead.
I need love.
No homo. Oh.
No homos. No homos.
Okay, so the Skylanders we have today is Ninja Stealth Elf, Star Strike, Hoot Loop, Washbuckler, and Blaststone.
Oh yeah.
Nicholas said Swashbuckler is Squashbuckler.
Squashbuckler. Yeah. And put on hashtag no homos.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Hashtag no homos. And if you don't know how to spell homos, sound it out.
It's easy. Let's stop talking a lot. Oh, thank you to Jay for sharing a lot of my videos. Thanks. And thank you to all of my subscribers.
Yes. Losers, keepers are also
Creepers.
Rebels, screwball. I don't even know what it said.
Did you hear that?
I just heard it, screwballs.
Stop saying that.
What?
Hiya! Hiya!
Hiya. Hiya.
Okay, my turn. I just want to take a turn once, alright?
Okay.
Yay, Jackie's turn to play. But how'd you do that? Ring of Fire!
And throw bomb.
Lord of the Rings.
Frodo.
Oh shoot. Too easy, too easy.
Too easy.
You're not saved if you're in a golden cage.
What if we don't want to save you?
I know. Let's just go back.
Just go back and jump off the edge.
Sure.